Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to save photos or folders from Google Drive. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open Google Drive application. To save photos, first of all, you need to tap in 3 vertical line of the photos that you want to save. Tap on it. A little down, you can see the option of download. Tap on it. As you can see, the one item has been downloaded. That is, the selected picture has been downloaded. For me to download or save videos, you need to tap on 3 vertical line of the videos that you want to save. Tap on it. Tap in download option. Here the item will be downloaded. As you can see in the notification bar, the selected video has been downloaded, which will be stored in the gallery. This is how you can save or download photos or folders on Google Drive. Hope this video is fruitful for you all. Thank you.